Now we need Data Factory in place. So open Microsoft Azure in another tab, remove this and search here Data Factory and click on this Data Factories, click on Create. Now choose the resource group Azure UAE North RG, and our Data Factory name will be Azure UAE North Factory. Okay, and the region will be UAE North, version v2, and next. Now when setting up Data Factory, Azure asks if we want to configure Git now or later. Git integration lets you version control your pipelines in Azure DevOps or GitHub. We will configure Git, but after deploying Data Factory, so for now, let's enable this option. Next. And this is the networking option, and the first option is enable managed virtual network on the default Azure Resolve Integration Runtime. So integration runtime is basically the compute engine that runs your pipeline. And by default, the integration runtime in Data Factory runs on a public network, and this is the default integration runtime. If we enable managed virtual network, Data Factory creates a secure environment where pipelines run inside a private Azure VNet. This means our data flows through private endpoints instead of the public internet. And this is the best practice for enterprise projects, but for this demo, we will skip it. But in real projects, enabling this is strongly recommended. And the next option is connect via public endpoint or private endpoint. With public endpoint, the connection goes over the internet but is fully encrypted. With private endpoint, the connection stays inside Azure's private network, and which is more secure but needs extra setup. So we will go with public endpoint. Next. And in the advanced section, there is the option enable encryption using a customer managed key. By default, Data Factory encrypts its data with Microsoft managed keys, but we can also enable customer managed keys. This means our Data Factory uses a key that we provide through Azure Key Vault. You can see here is a Key Vault URL and user assigned identity for encryption. And this gives us full control over the encryption. We can rotate or revoke the key anytime. But for now, we will leave it as it is. Next, tags, next, review plus create. Click on create. Once the Data Factory is deployed, click on go to resource. And you can see here is our Data Factory. In the next part, I will explain the Data Factory interface as well as connect Data Factory to GitHub repository.